So today I'm going to show you the basic knit stitch. The first thing you want to make sure is that your working yarn is coming from the back of your work. This is your right hand needle or your working needle. Your left hand needle I call the holding needle because it's holding the stitches that have already been made. So you want to take your right hand needle, your working needle, and slip it under the front leg of your left hand yarn. And I can show you there's two legs here, a front side and a back side. And you want to slip it under the front leg and under the belly of the yarn, but you have this back leg not involved at all here. So slip it under the front leg of that first stitch and make sure it comes out behind the left needle. Wrap your yarn counterclockwise around the needle, scratch the belly of the left needle with the tip of your right needle, and slide the stitch off. Let me show you again. Under the front leg of the stitch and bring the needle behind the left needle with the left leg here not being involved. Wrap the working yarn around your needle counterclockwise, scratch the belly of the left needle, slip it off. And one last time. Under the front leg and behind the needle, wrap it counterclockwise or towards your heart because you're just going to love knitting. Scratch the belly of the left needle and slide it off.